So the last part of these notes, we're going to talk about adding and subtracting with mixed numbers. And recall a mixed number is any number that has a whole part and a fraction part. And just like we multiply, we must first change the number to a improper fraction. We have to go to an improper fraction to add or subtract. And remember, an improper fraction means that the numerator is bigger than the denominator. So 2 1/5 plus 3/5. On this, if they're either the same denominators, you can leave it like it is, or we can now go and change this. So 2 times 5 is 10, plus 1 is 11, so that's 11/5, plus 3/5. 11, same denominator, so we're just going to add these. That'll be 14 over 5. And we want to change it back to a mixed number because we started with mixed numbers. So 14 over 5, well, remember you have to do 5 will go into 14 2 times. That's minus 10. Remainder is 4. So it looks like this. The whole and the part is 2. The fraction, the numerator is 4. The divisor is 5. 2 4/5. So this next one, again, same denominator. So all we're going to do is change them to improper fractions first. 3 times 7 is 21 plus 4. That's 25 over 7. Minus 2 times 7 is 14 plus 1 is 15. 15 over 7. And again, subtract these. That's just 10 over 7. Mixed number. So we need to do 7 will go into 10. 1 time. Subtract 3. So this is equal to 1. Remainder is 3. Denominator is 7. 3 1/10 plus 2/5. Now, we have to get these to the same denominators. First step, let's convert the mixed number to an improper fraction. So 3 times 10 is 30 plus 1 is 31. So that's 31 over 10 plus 2 over 5. Now, when we look at this, common denominator between 10 and 5 is going to be 10. So I need to multiply this one by 2 over 2. So I get 31 over 10 plus 4 over 10. That's equal to 35 over 10. Go back and convert this to a mixed number. So 10 will go into 35. 3 times. 3 times 10 is 30. Subtract. The remainder is equal to 5. So when I do this, I get 3 5/10. But this 5/10 can be reduced because that reduces to 3 1/2. And that's the final answer. Make sure you reduce fractions when you can. 5 1/6 minus 2 1/3. Convert them to improper fractions again. 5 times 6 is 30, plus 1 is 31. 31 over 6 minus 2 times 3 is 6, plus 1 is 7, so that's 7 over 6. Sorry, 2 times 3 is 6, plus 1 is 7 over 3. Now I need to convert to common denominators, so I'm going to multiply this one by 2 over 2 to get them to both 6's. 31 over 6 minus 14 over 6. 31 minus 14, 17 over 6. So 6 will go into 17 2 times. That's 12. The remainder is 5. So this is equal to 2 5/6. And on your last one, same process. 7 times 5 is 35, plus 1 is 36. 36 over 5, minus 3 times 6 is 18, plus 5 is 23. 23 over 6. Right? And now, when we do this one, convert to the common denominator, so I need to multiply this one by their common denominator is going to be 6. It's going to be 30. So multiply this one by 6, and multiply this one by 5. And when we do this, 6 times 36 is 216 over 30, minus 23 times 5 is 115 over 30. Subtract the top, so 216 minus 115 is equal to 101 over 30. Then when we do this, we need to convert this to a mixed number. So 30 will go into 101 3 times. That's 90. Subtract it. That's 11. That's your remainder. So this is 3 11/30.